I'm Andy. I live in Baltimore, Maryland, and I'm the social responsibility manager for Hamilton the Musical. I help with their social and racial justice initiatives. I lived in Boston for nearly 10 years after growing up in Portland, Maine. I knew I wanted to live somewhere that was diverse and that had an affordable cost of living. I think Baltimore is really exciting. It's a vibrant community, it's a little gritty, and it's a little bit of fun. 2.5 years ago, I adopted Deacon Montgomery Morgan. He's a rescue French bulldog, and he rules the house. Hello?
Hey, David, how are you?
Oh, hey, Tom. How's it going?
I'm just gonna show a house literally right around the block from you.
I'm looking to buy a home because financially I'm in a place where I can afford to do it, and it's always been my dream to buy my own home and renovate it and really make it my own. I work from home, and I also travel quite a bit for work. I currently live in Butchers Hill, but I'm looking to move to the south side of the city because it's closer proximity to downtown restaurants and nightlife. Ideally, I'm looking to spend $220,000 to $300,000. I know it's a competitive market, but I'm fully prepared to be competitive to get what I want.
How do you feel about the accent ceiling?
It's beautiful.
This helps me paint the picture of what we're trying to find.
It feels like this was renovated and flipped, and I want some historical character. I really want curb appeal. I want it to feel classic and historic.
You want the grand entrance of Baltimore City row home.
Yeah, I would like red brick, front facing, a fireplace. I need a backyard for Deacon, and I need at least 2 extra bedrooms for guests and foster kids. I'm in the process of becoming a certified foster parent, and so I want to build my nest and really have those roots in a community. The one unique thing that I'm looking for that may be difficult to find is I'm someone who wants walls. I don't want open concept. I want my rooms compartmentalized.
Your list, it's very extensive.
It's not that long of a list.
Okay, for what you're looking to spend, are you willing to fix things up?
I would like to put my own personal stamp on everything, so I'd love to be able to not pay for things that have already been done.
So what do you think?
I like the brick, and I definitely like the planters, but I would want to repaint the blue.
That's cosmetic. We can fix that down the road.
Okay.
Let's go see it. Initial thoughts?
I love the gas fireplace.
Yeah.
I love the hardwoods, but it's so small. I wanted space to be able to move around.
That's something you're gonna deal with down here. In the area you wanna be, not everything's gonna get bigger, it's gonna get smaller. That is downtown. You gotta sacrifice something.
I just didn't think it would get this small. Can we actually fit a couch in here?
Yeah, you got 2 love seats you can fit right here. One in that corner and one right here.
Great, one for Deacon, one for me.
Yeah, now let's go to the kitchen.
This is the ugliest kitchen I have ever seen in my life.
It's a blank page that you can do what you want. Well,
Oh my God, a white refrigerator?
you can change that out. That's simple.
The kitchen is straight out of 1994. The white refrigerator just makes my skin crawl. The house is already at the top of my budget, and this entire kitchen would need to be renovated. Oh, this is nice.
Nice private backyard. Storage shed too.
I could probably take that out and make the backyard bigger for Deacon.
Yeah, you definitely can. They do have a retaining wall you have to take out, but it's definitely something doable that can make it your own. The other thing is you do have this brick outside that still gives you some of that Baltimore charm too.
And I love the vines. They're
Yeah.
absolutely gorgeous.
This is a plus here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love the floors. The size is good. Is this the primary or guest bedroom?
This is guests. Your foster children are here. They have plenty of room up here to sleep. Closet, 1875 home, Baltimore City. We're gonna have smaller closets. Through your magnificent bathroom.
Oh boy.
It's huge, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess so. So is this what I'm supposed to do? Like,
We can put a stool in there for you. Step through to your owner's suite.
how is it possible that the primary bedroom is smaller than the guest bedroom? If someone's going to the bathroom, I'm trapped in my room. I haven't climbed a ladder since summer camp.
Get the full view. Take it in. Baltimore City skyline. Come up here, enjoy a nice sunset. You can see from the east to the west. You can do the morning or the evening.
I love the roof deck, but my concern is I would want this to be a grill and chill type of spot, and I don't see myself carrying platters of food up a ladder.
That's why you get a little bar up here. Mini bar, mini fridge. You sit that up here and your grill.
Okay. Where are we? I'm seeing horses.
Yeah, you never thought you'd see horses in Baltimore.
Some of these homes are gorgeous. And we're in Baltimore City proper.
Yeah, we're about 10 minutes from downtown Baltimore,
Okay.
the Harbor Center.
I kind of love it. It feels like New England to me.
I know Andy wanted a row house, but we're only 10 minutes from downtown Baltimore, and it's a lot bigger home. It's a single family home. I wanted him to see what his money could get him before making that decision. This home's 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. The actual lot is huge.
I don't know if I like being on a main road like this. I love the floors. I love the recessed lighting. There's so much space. Everything's new, the windows.
Kitchen's a little bit more spacious than what you're used to. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances.
No white appliances, and I really love the color of the cabinets. I think that they have that nautical feel. However, it does feel a little rehabby. Deacon would love this backyard. There's also enough room for the kids to play.
You put a swing set up here.
This would be an awesome patio.
So you have your full bathroom. Shower tub combo, you have your vanity, you have a toilet in here, and 2 of us can fit in this bathroom comfortably.
Nothing special, but nothing terrible either.
Right, this is for your guests.
Yeah.
Your guest bedroom.
Oh, this is actually really spacious.
Yeah. You have your closet, obviously good ceiling height.
Is that what we're calling good ceiling height, Tom?
Oh, you can't bang your head on it, can you?
That's true.
Is this enough space?
This is really impressive. Is that the closet?
Check it out.
I could make this work.
A walk-in closet.
And a shoe closet.
If you do fill that closet, here, can you fill this one too? 2 closets in your primary bedroom.
Shenanigans. It's super spacious. I think I'd be very comfortable here.
This is your own private bathroom too.
I like that it has a shower and no tub. I wish that the house had more house as it has backyard. And my only concern would be that it doesn't have that 3rd bedroom for guests.
You can always build on.
That's true.
We're in a historic neighborhood on a national registry.
It's got the curb appeal that I'm looking for, Tom. I love it.
Is this grand enough?
It's beautiful.
Let's go in and look at it. This home's in Union Square, just outside the initial area that Andy was looking at, but this is becoming a very desirable neighborhood. It just came back on the market. It's at a great price point, so I think it'd be perfect for him. You have your formal living room.
Wow, this is really spacious.
Yeah, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, over 2,000 square feet. It just came back on the market. And as you can see, the contractors still need to pick up some things, so it is a mess. You wanted a fixer-upper, so this is what we're looking at.
I can handle a little mess.
All right.
I love the exposed brick.
Yeah, very nice Baltimore City charm right there. This is gonna be the original brick, original hardwood, the staircase and all. Okay?
The staircase is gorgeous. What is this?
So that is your breakfast nook or reading nook.
I've never had a nook. I think I'd like to have a nook. Now, the fireplace, is that wood burning?
Yes. Formal dining room. You have crown molding, you have base molding. You also have the chair rail going all the way around, okay? And still the original hardwoods.
It needs some love.
It does.
I love the cabinets. I like that it already has decent looking appliances. It's gonna need a new floor.
Yeah, so it is the tile floor. You can just rip those up.
This is really uneven.
Remember, this is a fixer-up, okay? There is gonna be some work that needs to get done. But again, you're putting that Victorian feel that you wanted in the Baltimore City charm. Let's take a look at the backyard real quick. Big backyard.
Oh, wow, it has a full tree. I love that.
You got the pond.
I don't know, the pond is pretty gross.
It's all right. You're not living here yet. You'll fix it up.
There's definitely a lot to fix.
That's why it's called a fixer-upper.
Oh, you're so funny.
Here's your 2nd bedroom, and then your laundry room is in here. You can turn this into an office. Ensuite bathroom. You have clawfoot tub. You also have a stand-in shower.
I will not be showering in this shower.
A fixer-upper, Andy.
Oh, look at that.
You're putting new floors down. There's plenty of work to do in here, but this is something you wanted to do.
It's spacious. I'm just worried about it falling apart, to be honest. All I'm seeing are dollar signs.
Now the main bedroom. What do you think?
It has a lot of natural light. I love that.
It's huge. And if you wanted another bathroom, you have space to do that in this place. Is that enough space?
I don't know, I have a lot of clothes, Tom.
Let's head up to the top floor. This is where I think you'll love it.
Oh, wow.
Look how big this room is. Right next door, you have your bunk beds with your foster children. They come in here, and here's your playroom. Endless possibilities.
I think you're winning me over a little bit. All right, please, let's go. Hey, Mom, I think we're getting there. What do you think?
Yeah, this is really good.
I went with the row home in Union Square. It was big, historical, and it had all of the potential that I wanted to put into a home. Owning my own home is pretty surreal. It's a dream. Sometimes it doesn't feel real. It's been a very long and involved process, but it's totally been worth it.
You got to pick up this floor.
I know, Mom.
Well, if I fall down.
The asking price was $175,000. Tom told me to trust him, and I'm glad I did, because I was able to get the house for $170,000. I moved in about 2 weeks ago, and it was chaotic. I had the bathroom remodeled. I've had floors installed in the bathroom. So right now, I'm about $20,000 in and renovation costs. And when I'm done, I'll be about another $30,000 in. And I'm really excited about creating another dream bathroom. That's eventually going to be an ensuite bathroom.
Oh, sweet.
I don't need all of this closet space.
Well, yeah, you do.